Hi guys, so this is gonna be a start to a little vlog. It is Friday the 13th actually. I was planning on getting a tattoo, but I just thought I would not. I mean, who knows? My outfit is literally the most like comfiest outfit ever. But right now I'm gonna go downstairs and make myself some matcha. Literally, I look so gross, but I really want to make myself some matcha. And where's my hydro flask? And then I gotta go upstairs, and then I also have to make like a list of things I have to do today. So okay, so I'm gonna make myself some matcha. So I'm gonna get out all the ingredients and then I'll show you guys how I make it. Oat milk, green tea powder, and obviously make sure it's ceremonial grade because the other one is not good matcha and it doesn't have all the health benefits that matcha gives you. I like to put raw honey in it and some vanilla syrup, but like not a lot. And then obviously like a cup that's given. I have a straw. I have one of these little matcha whisks. So the first thing I do, I'm gonna put you guys back actually, and don't mind my nail, I'm gonna go get it fixed, but one broke. So I'm gonna get like half a teaspoon. If you don't know where to get this, I got this one off of Amazon actually, so I'll link it in the description box down below. And then I also got this from Amazon too. Some vanilla, and then some honey. So then I just start mixing it. And then, as you guys can see, I'll put some oat milk. So I use this Oatly, the original oat milk. Then I put some ice. And that is how I make my matcha. Okay, so basically I just made a list of just like everything that I need to do. Obviously I'm going to like add on throughout the day and stuff. So I already made my bed, I made a matcha, I already drank my vitamins, which you just saw. I need to work out and then vlog basically like all day. I need to clean my car and I did clean my room. So yeah, and then this is what I have to do like when I'm out and about. So I have to return something from Target, I have to exchange something at Ulta, and then also pick up my curbside pickup. I have to ship a Poshmark order. If you guys don't know, I sell clothes on Poshmark, so if you guys want to shop my closet, the my app will be on the screen and also in the description down below. I have homework to do, which I need to highlight because that's like really important. I don't know if I will get my nails done. Literally this one is broken, so I kind of have to like get them done soon, but I don't know about today. That's why I did a question mark. And then I have work at 5 p.m. so I have to get like everything. This is not everything I need to do. I just like kind of wrote some of the things that I remember right now. I have to get that done before like 5 because like I said, that's when I have work, and I'll probably film at work so you guys can like see what I do at work and stuff. So yeah, right now I'm gonna go and then I will talk to you guys later. I just got dressed and I look, I don't know if I like the outfit, but yeah, the lighting's also so weird. I hate the lighting in my room. But so my outfit, Urban, Shein, these are thrifted. And then for shoes, I don't know what I'm gonna wear, but I don't know. I kind of don't want to wear sneakers. I kind of just want to wear like slides or something, but I don't know. Yeah, I'm gonna go to Ulta, Target. I gotta go to the post office. I also have homework to do, so I'm not excited about that. But yeah, here's a little overview. I kind of want to make a TikTok of my outfit. I feel like this is like so baggy though, but I don't know. Should I make a TikTok? You'll see if I make one. Guys, so I literally just went to drop off some mail, Target, got my stuff from Ulta. Literally the only thing I got, I had to get heat protected, so I got this Sunbum one. Sunbum like heat protecting because I want to straighten my hair. And then I got this OPI cuticle oil thing for my cuticles because they're so dry. I kind of have to clean my car because it is so gross. Anyways, I'm gonna go and I'll see you guys later.
We'll watch it grow.
So for lunch, I'm just eating leftover dinner, which was spaghetti. And yeah, after that, I don't think I'm gonna do anything special. Oh, I have homework and my camera's dying, so I need to charge it. It is now like 4:30 and I have work at 5, so I'm gonna go right now. I'm like struggling to get my camera, but yeah, I had to drop another Poshmark package off at the post office, and then I'm gonna be on my way to work. But yeah, I'll probably vlog there because the kids that I nanny are like so cute and they love the camera, and I know they're gonna want to vlog, so I'm gonna go for now and then talk to you guys when I'm there. Okay, I'm gonna put some music on and then I'm gonna go to work. Actually, no, I need to go to the post office first, so yeah. I'm gonna go now and I'll see you guys at my job, I guess. I don't know.